for the many of you leaders who are here from Kisii, circumstances such as this have brought all of us together. On Friday, when we go to lay Mama to rest, it will be an opportunity for us to demonstrate the maturity, the responsibility that is characteristic of all African communities. And to echo what Mzee Ngeri has said here, we have all been brought together regardless of where we come from in terms of our political thoughts and positioning by the sleeping of our mother here. So I look forward to a peaceful, respectful, decent send-off to this mama, and most importantly, an opportunity for us to start thinking hard about how we strengthen our togetherness as we move forward to build this country. Our brother and our friend, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, I reserved him for the last because he served as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. He's our good friend and colleague in the United Alternative Government, very solid supporter, not just of our cause, but who has been with us. And Richard, I will have an opportunity to thank you properly on Friday, because for a long time when I was away, you were holding brief for me in the United Alternative Government, and you are also holding brief for me in Linda Mwananchi, and you are holding brief for me in many of these other good places. God will reward you for doing a good job. So, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, please welcome and make some remarks.